Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine and are completing your all the works on time. So we are in fifth chapter and we have covered many of the states in this chapter like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Now two states are remaining, that are West Bengal and Assam. Today we will be covering these states and Delhi will be remaining, that we will do in the next class. So first let's cover up the questions that I gave you in the previous class and then we will continue with West Bengal. So first question in previous class was, which city of Bihar is famous for lychees? City of Bihar that is famous for lychees is Muzaffarpur. Answer is Muzaffarpur. Second question, where was Guru Govind Singh born? So Guru Govind Singh is the 10th Guru of Sikh and he was born in the city of Patna. He was born in Patna, Bihar. Third question, name any 3 points of tourist attraction in Uttar Pradesh. So there are many points of tourist attraction in Uttar Pradesh. Some of them are Agra, Ayodhya, Lucknow, Mathura, Varanasi and Allahabad. You can write any 3 points. Agra, Ayodhya, Lucknow, Mathura, Varanasi and Allahabad. Fourth question, what do Meen wear in Uttar Pradesh? What is the traditional dress of Meen in Uttar Pradesh? So Meen in Uttar Pradesh wear dhoti, kurta and turban. Dhoti, kurta and turban. Last question, why is Bodh Gaya famous? So Bodh Gaya is the name of a place in Bihar and it is famous because it is the important place of Buddhist and Gautam Buddha got enlightenment here. So Bodh Gaya is famous because Gautam Buddha, known as the leader of Buddhist religion, got enlightenment here. Now West Bengal. So open your books on page number 31 and let's start with West Bengal. As you know, the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. West Bengal is located on the plains of river Ganga. In West Bengal, river Ganga flows and it is located in the plains of river Ganga. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Now only I told Kolkata is the capital of the West Bengal. Now move to the next page. 32. Occupation. Occupation means the work people do to earn money. So main occupations of people here are farming and fishing. People mostly do farming, means to grow crop, or do fishing because it is a coastal area and there are many rivers and seas, so people mostly do fishing also. Now crops. Which crops are mainly grown here? Rice is the main crop grown here. The other crops grown here are jute, wheat, potatoes and oilseeds. The main crop is rice and other are jute, wheat, potatoes and oilseeds. Oilseeds include many crops like sunflower, groundnut and vegetable oil and all. Now industries. Industries means what are the famous products that are mainly made there. What are the products to be generated in factories. The important industries of West Bengal are jute. Jute is fiber crop. It is used to make mats, robes and jute bags and all. Now textile. Textile means the cloth factory where cloth is made. Oil refineries where oil is the oil that we find in mining is mainly the impure form of oil. That impure form of oil is first refined in factories and then we use in our household things. So oil refineries means the industries where oil is purified, जहाँ पे oil को pure करते हैं. Then automobile. Automobile means the parts of vehicles. जो भी vehicles है, cars, ट्रक्स, जीप और इन सब के जो भी पार्ट्स और होते हैं व्हीकल के, दैट इज़ ऑटोमोबाइल. देन शिप बिल्डिंग. एज वेस्ट बंगाल इज़ द कोस्टल एरिया, सो वहाँ पे बहुत सारे पोर्ट भी है. जैसे एयरपोर्ट होता है, एरोप्लेन्स और लैंड करती है वहाँ पे, वैसे ही पोर्ट या फिर हार्बर बोलते हैं वहाँ पे शिप, या फिर जो जैसे दूसरे कंट्रीज़ में हम लोगों को कुछ भी सामान भेजना है सी रूट के थ्रू, तो उसके लिए शिप्स यूज़ होती है. तो वहाँ पे शिप की फैक्ट्रीज़ है, शिप के पार्ट्स बनते हैं. देन आयरन एंड स्टील. आयरन और स्टील के भी बहुत सारे सामान बनते हैं. नाउ सिल्क इंडस्ट्रीज़ ऑफ मुर्शिदाबाद, स्टील प्लांट्स एट दुर्गापुर, कोल माइंस एंड एट रानीगंज, एंड द लोकोमोटिव फैक्ट्री विच मेनली electric and diesel railway engines at Chittaranjan are the other important industries. Now that all the names that are written with pink are the names of the cities. Murshidabad is famous for the silk industries. Then steel plants means the big machineries. Durgapur is a city where big machines for steel are located. There they use steel to make different kind of things. Then coal mines at Raniganj. Raniganj also is a place where coal mines are famous. Coal means कोयला, वहाँ से माइंस है जहाँ से कोयला निकाला जाता है और उसको फिर फैक्ट्री में यूज़ करके उसको एज ए फ्यूल यूज़ करते हैं. देन लोकोमोटिव फैक्ट्री. So locomotive factory which makes electric and diesel railway engines. लोकोमोटिव का मीनिंग होता है जो रेलवे ट्रेन्स और ये सब होते हैं उनके इंजन के पार्ट्स बनाना, या फिर उनके इलेक्ट्रिक पार्ट्स बनाने के लिए जो भी फैक्ट्रीज़ है वो चित्तरंजन में लोकेटेड है. चित्तरंजन ऑल्सो इज़ अ सिटी. अदर इम्पोर्टेंट इंडस्ट्री.